What's up, everyone? Welcome back to my channel. Before we get started, make sure you follow me on Instagram at Malika Malaysia and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Okay, so first, I always like to start my morning off with fruit. That's very important to eat first thing in the morning while your stomach is empty. So right now I am cutting up some watermelon and strawberries. This is actually what I'll be taking with me to work. So I like to meal prep for the week. So this is what I'm currently eating for the week. And they're just really simple meals anyone can do. And like I said, if you haven't watched my previous video, make sure you watch it. It's definitely beginner friendly if you're thinking about going vegetarian or living a plant-based lifestyle. So I added banana and walnuts. Okay, so this is my snack. This is what around 10:30 when I like to have my snack, like I said, for at work. So I'm adding some spinach, strawberries, and banana. And also some orange juice, which when it comes to if you're putting any kind of juice in your smoothies, I just do a little. I like to have more water in it than juice, so keep that in mind also. And then also add some chia seeds. Okay, so now it's lunchtime. So, as you can see, I started off with a bagel. This is what I would call a bagel veggie sandwich. You can use any kind of bagel you like. And I added some romaine lettuce and tomatoes. And see, the good thing about veggie sandwiches, you can add any kind of vegetables that you like. And then also avocado, which I love. Okay, I have an avocado every day. And so when I'm adding my avocado onto my veggie sandwich, I always smash it. So I think when you smash it to put it on any kind of, type of bread, it just spreads easier. Okay, and then I top it off with some mustard and salt and pepper. And I forgot to add my onions, but onions on here is also tastes good. And like I said, chickpeas, anything. And look at that. Look how good this veggie sandwich looks, y'all. This bagel sandwich, so good. You can't tell me. Like, you need to try it. Okay, so now it's dinner time. I'm making spaghetti. Zoom in on that pasta because it's not regular pasta, it's red lentil. So there is a difference. And then the sauce that I'm using, which is my favorite, the chunky tomato, onion, and garlic sauce. And then, I'll be making some breadsticks also with this dinner. Like I said, this is very easy, beginner friendly. So, and with the red lentil pasta, it doesn't take long at all to cook. And right now I'm just adding the sauce. I'm gonna put some more romaine lettuce on the side with some sweet bell peppers and onions. Zoom in on this sauce. This sauce is my favorite. It is a teriyaki vegan sauce. Okay, you guys, that concludes the video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure you leave a comment below. Let me know what you have meal prepped for the week. And also, if you want to see more videos like this, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Until next time, see you guys.